Hold on. Something's not right. See that door with the big orange handle? You should shut that. That was close. Yeah, be careful. Those doors don't hold shut for long either. Moving on. All right, here's the machine. This is where all the toy parts you've collected have been going. Now you've got enough for the whole toy. Grab the handles on that pipe there and begin pulling. See, our engineers set up this cool piping system that'll suction the toy straight from this machine right onto the train. You'll have to do this every time you finish making a toy. Uh-oh. Okay, stop. You see that locker behind you? Get inside. Now. Coast is clear. Get out of the box.